everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to be watching one of my old videos from my first YouTube channel with 3 subscribers. And this was made over 9 years ago. So anyways, this is one of my first videos ever. Actually my second video. And this is going over what's in my tool bag. So let's just go ahead and watch it. I'm going to commentate what I think about my tools from 9 years ago. So let's go ahead and jump right in.
What's up everyone, this is John and I'm making another video here to show you what's in my tool bag. This is a...
First of all, I don't even know what I'm recording with here. I don't even know, I didn't have a tripod or anything back then, so I have no idea what's going on. But I start out by showing my drill, so I'll skip to that real quick.
Things started off with my Milwaukee 18 volt drill. As you can see here, I've customized it with the JLo logo.
Very nice.
And that's a screwdriver bit from my 18.
I still have this drill, by the way, and it still works, but it is pretty much dead.
15-1 Mega Pro. So I'm just going to set these things over here on this towel because they're dirty. Because I use them at work. And I don't want to get the floor all dirty.
Here comes my hammer.
Sawdust or whatever. And this is just a hammer from my tool bag. And
So bad.
This is just, I don't know, piece of junk, but
It is, it was.
this is just the hammer.
Terrible.
And that usually goes in my tool belt, but I recently cleared out my tool belt, so I just have everything in my tool bag right now, and when I need my tool belt, I will just put the stuff in that I need. If I can fix that. There we go.
Here's my
Goes from 18
strippers.
to 10 solid wire and 20 to 12 stranded.
And granted, this is like a few months after I've been in the trade. It's just only February, and I started in like May. So my 10-year is coming up, but I only worked like 4 days or something, so I probably started full-time in like August or something, so maybe I've been working like 4 or 5 months at this point. So granted, I barely know anything about electrical. I barely even know what a hot wire was, so if I don't say any of these tools right, then that's why.
And these are...
So I pretty much don't know what I'm talking about, probably.
They are one of my favorite tools, and you need those as an electrician. And
Moving on.
some stuff from work that I accidentally forgot to take out. And this is a
Okay, so I had to go back.
battery charger.
Got my battery
Electrician
charger.
battery. It's all dirty with sawdust.
I got my hat right there that I made, which I've
And
probably never worn since that point, since I got all the wood scraps in there, but I also lost it, so whatever.
we got just a razor knife, sheetrock knife, whatever you want to call it. Some people like to be technical. Their terms.
Very true.
We got a
Mercy.
level, torpedo level, whatever you want to call it.
Terrible.
Thing, I believe.
Let's get to the Klein tools already.
Klein screwdriver.
Dang, that thing is brand new.
You can't even see that. I'm looking
Like,
at the wrong camera. 6034.
Obviously, like, what was I looking at there?
You can't even see that. I'm looking at the wrong camera. 6034. Brand new. Got this free at school.
Very nice.
Tool giveaway. And I also got this for free. Where's the camera there? This is a 6043. Another little screwdriver, Klein.
I must have given that one away, because I've never seen that one.
My favorite.
There we go.
Diagonal cutters, aka the dikes. And these are just so useful and sharp and haven't lost their mojo yet.
Man, those things are still good, man. Like, they have a little divot in there, but man, I still got those, and they still work great after almost 10 years.
Best $26 ever. Okay.
True. I just got those probably like a month ago, probably at that point.
Got the 4 whites and the 1 red headlamp with the head strap. Just to
I can't believe I got
change up the name.
those that early.
Pronunciation.
Still have those, and I hate them.
Little babies, but they are nice, but they're a little wrench.
I've
Nice.
never used that in my life.
I don't know where parents got that for me for Christmas. Can't go wrong with the electrical tape. Or sorry, then things are. So we got a mask right there, breathing mask. Got some safety glasses. Got some more tape. I need some black tape, but I got a couple greens. And
what am I recording with, an iPad?
Oh
my
I don't know what
gosh.
to use them for. They're kind of ginormous. But I got these free from school too. Traded someone for the free diagonal cutters, which I already had, so he wanted those, so I gladly took the upgrade. And these are ginormous. And this
Still,
tells you if there's
actually,
power.
I got a new one of those.
So you know what?
I had, that was my first one, and it kind of got wet and rusted out, so gave that, or threw that away.
Educate yourself. Some spare wire strippers that I got for Christmas. These are also 1810 solid wire, 20 to 12 stranded. We're running out of stuff. Some stuff from my trunk that randomly appeared.
Yeah, I never use those.
Channel locks again.
A lot of the stuff my dad gave to me to use, and quickly realized how terrible they were for electrical tools.
Setting. These you have to choose.
Alright.
So these are like automatic Fat Max from Christmas.
Oh yeah, Fat Max.
My other ones, the tip broke off because I was using them improperly, probably.
And then you got your tape measure right here from Harbor Freight. So a lot of these are like Craftsman tools and Harbor Freight, so really embarrassing.
Baby pliers. And then, as you can see,
Oh, there's
I
my
have
tool bag.
my tool bag here.
Wow, look at that quality. What is this,
So
360p?
blurry.
Oh, 240, look at that.
And then I have the cheap screwdrivers right here. We got the Phillips, the two Phillips right here, stubby Phillips,
Mercy.
and then slotted, whatever those are called, straight edge, and then the stubby straight edge. And lastly, the last thing in my tool bag, I believe,
Is a light.
I mean, we have the
So we got the light, and then we also got the I can't
wire
believe I had
nut
that so early.
attachment for the drill.
Still got that.
Let me try to attachment for little small drill bits or screwdriver bits. Put this in your drill.
Yeah, I still don't know the name of that, so I'm not very good at that still. I got my bits right there. I'm surprised I had all these bits this early. And then I got like some stuff from the job site, some Caterpillars. Where's my 15-in-1? There it is.
Well, I just showed you my bits, which is these, and they go into the.
That's my
screwdriver
first
like
tool
such.
ever right there.
And I actually have two of the slotted ones, but you can see we have the Phillips, some large Phillips, some Star one, another smaller Star one, and this.
That's
is
pretty much it.
Electrician.
So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this embarrassing video of my very first tool drop, or what's in my tool bag. Anyways, the tools are terrible, and yeah, that's what I started with 9.5 years ago. So you don't need top of the line, but it definitely helps if you're going to be in the trade for a long time. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see another video review. I do have one other video, so if you guys want to see it and you want me to commentate it, let me know. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to check down in the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.